Hi, I am Tanisha, a third year MBBS student. Exams are finally over, and for the first time in weeks, my mind feels as light as these clouds. Mumbai, thank you for the cures, the lessons, and the memories. अब घर जाने का time है, Jaipur. Sometimes all you need is a window seat, a sky full of clouds, and the feeling that you're finally heading home. They gave you time to slow down, to think, to breathe, and to realize how beautiful the little moments can be. This channel isn't just about medical school, it's about everything that happens in between. The early mornings, the late night study sessions, the homesickness, the friendships, the tiny victories, the setbacks, and all the memories that quietly shape who we become. If you have ever felt lost, overwhelmed, or simply needed a place that feels calm, I hope these videos can be that little escape for you. So, welcome, let's make memories together.
घर आके ना सबसे पहले बस एक ही मिशन होता है रीसेट एंड आफ्टर ट्रेवलिंग फॉर आवर्स ब्रशिंग योर टीथ एट होम जस्ट हिट्स डिफरेंट डोंट आस्क मी व्हाई बट इट जस्ट डज और वो लॉन्ग शार्प एग्जाम स्ट्रेस तो शायद एक दिन में नहीं जाता बट थोड़ी देर के लिए लगता है कि लाइफ नॉर्मल हो गई एंड देन ऑब्वियसली द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट चेंजिंग इनटू द कंप्लीट क्लोथ्स यू ओन ओवरसाइज नाइट सूट और फिर क्या घर का ब्रेकफास्ट आफ्टर हॉस्टल नो वन कैन लाइक compete with this और हाँ एमबीबीएस स्टूडेंट डोंट रियली गेट वेकेशन एक एग्जाम खत्म होता है कि दूसरे की टेंशन ऑलरेडी वेटिंग होती है so after all the relaxing it's back to the books because med school doesn't care if you just got home.
Just a simple meal, but somehow it tasted like comfort. And of course, lunch was followed by the most important task of the day, an unplanned nap that somehow turned into the best part of the afternoon. And I woke up just in time to catch my favorite part of the day. There's something about evenings at home. The breeze feels softer, the sky looks prettier, and for a few minutes, life doesn't feel like it's in a rush. And of course, let me introduce my tiniest member of our family, my Misty. He thinks he owns the house, and honestly, he's probably right. We spend the evenings together doing absolutely nothing, and somehow those are always the moments I end up remembering the most. Okay, now it's coffee time. This is my super easy cold coffee recipe that I make almost every time. Just some chilled milk, coffee, sugar, a little ice, blend everything together, and that's literally it. Sometimes I add a little chocolate syrup if I'm feeling fancy, but you can also keep it simple, and honestly, the simplest recipes are usually the best. Now it's finally time to sit back, enjoy this coffee, and relax for a bit before getting back. If you enjoyed spending the day with me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and it really means a lot and help me create more vlogs like this. I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care, stay happy, and bye.